In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple pricing table in Wix. If you've been looking for an easy way to display your service or product pricing clearly on your website, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and walk you through this step by step. First, make sure you're on your Wix dashboard. Once there, you'll want to head over to the Apps section. It's conveniently located in the dashboard. You can easily find it, as Wix organizes these tools to help you enhance your website efficiently. When you click on Apps, you'll also see the App Market option. This is where you'll find various tools that you can integrate into your Wix site to add functionality, such as our pricing table today. With the App Market open, the next thing to do is to use the search bar to look for the price table. The search function is quite handy, making it quick for you to find exactly what you need without scrolling through countless apps. Once the results come up, you should see the price table app pop up at the top. Go ahead and click on it to learn more about what this app can do for you and how it can be seamlessly integrated into your site. Clicking on the price table app will guide you to the initial setup. Here, you'll see an Add to Site button. Clicking this will prompt you to agree to any necessary terms and conditions. It's always a great idea to read through these so that you're fully aware of what's involved. After you've agreed, you can go ahead and close this setup window. Wix will then redirect you back to your site editor, where you'll get a first-hand look at your new pricing table tool. Now, you'll see your Wix site editor open with the price table feature ready to be customized to your liking. Look for the settings option and give that a click. This is your hub to tailor the pricing table to fit your specific needs perfectly. Here, you have the flexibility to set the content that your visitors will see, design the look and feel to match your site's aesthetic, and even integrate other apps if needed. It's incredibly user-friendly, so don't be afraid to explore these settings to get the most out of your pricing table. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, simply click close, and just like that, you've successfully added a sleek, simple pricing table to your Wix site. It's a smooth process and a great way to present your offerings clearly to visitors. Now you have a completed pricing table on your website. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy creating.